Imagine you just woke up and the first thing you see is a fly lid on the ceiling. What would your first thoughts be? How can I swat that fly? Or which is the exact position of that fly? So this is how modern graphing was discovered by William Playfair. You'd be amazed to realize that we use graphs unconsciously every day. They are essentially in real life for reasoning about functions, analyzing data, communicating information. The origin of graph theory was in the times of Euler. He first used them as a method to solve the Königsberg Bridge problem. The problem is given 7 bridges. Is it possible to cross through all the bridges such that you cross through a bridge only once? Graph theory is also used in computer science to define the flow of computation, or to represent data organization. It is also used in electrical engineering in designing of circuit connections. Furthermore, graphs are used in chemistry to mathematically model molecules in order to gain insight into the physical properties of these chemical components. Even the compositions of the organic structures can be represented as compositions of the initial graphs. In linguistics, graphs are mostly used for parsing of a language and grammar of a language tree. Moreover, graph theory is used in sociology, for example, to explore rumor spreading or to measure actors' prestige, notably through the use of social network software.
Another field of life in which graphs are used is biology. For example, the nervous system and the circulatory system is represented by graphs. What happens when you send a friend request to your crush on Facebook? There appears a new, I assume, directed edge from you to your crush. If you are lucky, your crush accepts your friend request, and there is a new edge, probably a double edge, which says, "You are a friend of your crush." Nodes in the Facebook graph can be people, pages, posts, check-ins, etc. A new directed edge appears on the graph, from your node to the check-ins node, possibly accompanied with a friend edge of your crush and yours being deleted. To imagine that such a big data that Facebook has that can be represented by a graph is beautiful.